Okay, hi there, students. Oomph, oomph. This is a noun. I think probably both countable and uncountable, but more commonly uncountable. Oomph talks about power, strength, energy, energetic activity, drive, push. So, if you want to be able to accelerate well in your car, you need an engine with a bit of oomph. I think drag racers use nitrous oxide to give their cars an extra oomph, an extra push, extra power, extra strength. This advertising campaign is rather wishy-washy. It needs something to give it some oomph, some push, some power, to make it feel effective. Spirited vigor. A bit of adrenaline in your system will give you oomph. Yeah, it'll liven you up. It'll make you more powerful, but just for a small amount of time. It'll give you some zing or some dynamism, some bounce, some dash. Yeah. They say that oysters will put a bit of oomph into your sex life. Okay, so oomph, strength, power, passion, effectiveness. I even like this word clout. Yeah. Let's see. Normal detergents are too weak. You need to put a little bit of vinegar into it to give it just that extra oomph. Something with enough oomph to do the job. You can also actually use oomph to mean sex appeal. Yeah, this guy has got a lot of oomph. Okay, yeah, the girls really like him. I'm going to go to the origin because I really like it. I mean, oomph. Think about you when you make a very big effort to do something. Oomph! And that is the idea of oomph. It's the pure onomatopoeia of that. To give something some power, to give it some welly, yeah? Make it go forward. I need to find a way to motivate students and give them some more oomph to go on studying English vigorously, strongly. Okay, oomph. I think it's a great word. Yeah, it's got. I'm going to put some pepper in this to give the flavour a bit of oomph, a bit of zest in this case. Your writing it's okay and it's very understandable, but it needs a bit more oomph. Add some adverbs and some adjectives to give it oomph. Yeah, to give it make it more effective, to give it more verve or more vim. Yeah, so oomph is like physical vim or mental verve. Okay, it's just that extra undefinable quality, that je ne sais quoi, that drives it forward. Companies are normally looking for executives with oomph, with a lot of drive. They're able to make their own decisions. They know what to do, and that's the idea of oomph, strength and power. When he makes his speeches, his voice is very quiet and squeaky. He needs to add a bit of oomph to his voice. Okay? Now, oomph, formality, that's a good one. I think I would give it a 4 in formality. It's definitely for an informal conversation. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but in something very formal, don't touch it with a barge pole. Okay, oomph, and then as I said, the origin, oomph. It's pure onomatopoeia. That's one of the reasons why I like it. It's sort of this grunting bass thudding sound. Okay, so oomph, energy, strength, power, spirit, zing, pizzazz, verve, vitality, animation, desirability. Yes, sex appeal as well. He's definitely a guy with oomph. Vivacity, liveliness, energy, vim as well. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oomph.